Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. In this video, we'll show you how to restrict adding items of multiple taxes in a single sale or sale return voucher. By default, the system lets you add items belonging to different tax slabs in one bill. If you want to restrict this, go to the Logic folder and open Logic Admin. Then, click on Global Settings and go to Sale Settings 2. In this section, you'll find an option called Do Not Allow Multiple Taxes in a Single Sale Bill Return. Check this option and save the settings. Don't forget to restart the software after making this change. Now, let's test it by entering a sale voucher. As you can see, the system will show a message saying that multiple taxes not allowed in same bill. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.